Hi, you guys. I'm Phil Town from Rule 1 Investing. And today I want to talk to you about why cryptocurrency is not for our kind of value investor. If you're a Rule 1 investor, it shouldn't come as a big surprise to you that investing in cryptocurrency doesn't really align with Rule number 1 values or principles. But if you're new here, you may be wondering, why not? I mean, this is awesome stuff, right? Rule number 1 of investing is don't lose money. We do this by following a valuation method called the 4 M's. You can grab my guide on that, by the way, that dives into these 4 M's in the description below and just see how it works. Simply put, this is why I don't invest in crypto and why I don't think anyone trying to grow their wealth through investing should do it. It's incredibly volatile. It has no specific value. It produces nothing, and therefore there's no guarantee that you won't lose money, that it won't be worth zero in 10 years. There are additional reasons why we rulers don't like crypto, though, so let's kind of get to them. All right, first thing is that crypto has no intrinsic value. That means you can't put a value on it based on something that it produces. And if you can't put a value on it, then how do you know how much to pay for the thing? What's it worth? How high or low is it going to go in the future? Warren Buffett just got done talking about this at the Berkshire meeting, and he was basically saying if somebody offered him all the farmland in America for $25 billion, he'd snap it up because it has a value, something people want, something that's worth it, right? That's apart from just the fact that he owns it. If somebody offered him all the Bitcoin in the world for $25, he wouldn't pay it. He said it's because if he tried to sell it, nobody would buy it from him. Everybody knows his reputation. They know he's not going to give away anything. They just wouldn't buy it because it has no intrinsic value. So we don't know how high or low it can go in the future. We don't know if Bitcoin will be around in 10 years. We just don't know. So the second thing is that crypto is extremely volatile. So some volatility can be great for us as Rule 1 investors. We like it when things that are worth something, like if things worth $10 and it goes down and we can buy it for $5, that's great for us. So the amount of volatility, however, in coin experiences is just impossible to predict. It's because it has no intrinsic value. So it doesn't have a lot of history behind it. It's not like gold. It's not like a Picasso. Hard to know what is going to happen here. And because it doesn't have that value that's intrinsic, meaning it has a value related to the cash flow it produces, I don't feel confident that the price will rise again after it falls. And that's another reason for its volatility. In fact, another reason I don't invest in crypto is that it's prone to cyber attacks. There's some serious security risks out there owning digital currency. I mean, right now, people have lost hundreds of millions of dollars, maybe billions of dollars, and you can actually see where it's sitting, but they can't touch it. So the hackers are getting more creative. They're finding this is really fun to do, and maybe they can get away with it. So that's kind of scary. And last, crypto isn't regulated, and the regulatory risks that surround cryptocurrencies, and maybe, of course, this is one of the big attractions to it. The government doesn't control it, but it's also a major threat. And frankly, anytime the government decides that, this is threatening the US dollar, then they're going to just do exactly what China did, which is make it illegal and ban it entirely. I already saw that happen in China. It's happened in other places. And that is what's going to happen the moment crypto becomes a serious challenge to a currency. It's going to get banned. So for these reasons, I'm out. And I suggest anyone who calls themselves a Rule 1 and value investor shouldn't invest in crypto either. Now, I'll tell you, I'd love to hear from you guys. I know this is controversial. Why do you or don't you invest in cryptocurrency? And I'll bet you nobody has a reason that has anything to do with its intrinsic value. Let's see. Leave a comment below with your answer. I'll be sure to follow up with you. Thanks for watching. Now go play. If you enjoyed this video and you think it was valuable in teaching you more about why value investors shouldn't invest in crypto, hit the like button and please share the video with your friends. And if you want more investing content, subscribe to my channel. And don't forget, just click the button on the screen. There's a free gift there. Thanks again for watching.